Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Last weekend of the summer, we're going to be doing chicken fajitas on the big green egg, something we love here at the Peaver household. I hope you enjoy. So for the marinade, I have meat church fajita seasoning. I mix it with olive oil, and then I'll put it all in a baggie and all the chicken, and I'll mix them all together and let it marinate overnight. A little bit of olive oil. Don't really measure. I just kind of mix everything up enough that I know that it's going to coat all the chicken. So see, it's all mixed up now. I might add a little bit more olive oil and a little bit more of the fajita spice from Meat Church. Mix it all up. And then that'll be ready to put in with the chicken. Okay, now I got a bunch of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we'll just throw them all in here. I've got about, I'd say probably 10 or 15. Some of them are still a little bit frozen, but that's okay. And I also have a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, just so we have it. Okay, now for the marinade, I'll give it another stir. And I did wash my hands, as you can see. Pour it all in. Make sure you got everything, all the spices and the olive oil, as much as you can. Then you want to get all the air that you can out of the Ziploc bag. And then just mix it all together. And I'll mix it a few times. Now I'll also put this in a dish, just in case it leaks in the fridge. You don't want this going all over the fridge. But this will marinate overnight, and then we'll throw it on the grill tomorrow afternoon for supper. My sous chef is here. He wants to be part of this whole thing. He smells the chicken and wants to have a snack right away. Sorry, buddy, you're not getting any. Fire it up! Okay, now the chicken thighs have been marinated for over 24 hours now. We're going to throw them on the grill indirect. Grill's at 400 right now. We're going to go from there. Put a little bit more fajita spice on. Okay, now we're going to give them a flip. They're looking really good. I'll flip the breasts first, and then all the thighs. We're going to put them on the heat after and get them nice and crisp. Get a nice char on them. They'll be delicious. And we got the peppers and onions on direct heat. Now I have the meat on the direct heat. We're searing up nicely. Have a nice crisp bark on it. It's looking delicious. It smells great. Okay, now the chicken is perfectly done. We've already grilled all the vegetables. Now we'll take it off the grill, cut it up. I got some chicken thighs and breasts, and they're just perfect. Look at that. Lots of flavor. Can't wait to have a fajita. Now we're going to slice up the meat. It's perfect. Still nice and juicy and tender, but fully cooked. And make delicious fajitas. Okay, now it's time to build the fajita. There's tortilla, and this is crema, sour cream, garlic, lemon juice, and a little bit of cilantro. I have my own homemade salsa that we'll put on. Not too hot. We'll put some chicken on. I love the chicken thighs because it's so tasty. And then the peppers, yellow, orange pepper, and onions. Nice char on them. A little bit of cheese. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on there as well. Just break it off the stem. Love cilantro. There. Take a look at that.